going on, guys? So we're checking out another new adventure. This is another little mini time capsule. So anyways, be sure to alright, let's see what we got this time. Oh yeah, it's good I wear a mask because it is pretty dirty in here. Yeah, this place is a little different, eh? Bro, like this house is really rotted. And there's lots of shit everywhere. Okay, so we'll check the other places. Yeah, this place is an easy hit, eh?
Oh, whoa, I didn't even notice.
This one's in the woods. Perry Sound. No, these books for Perry Sound. That's pretty cool.
This is cool. Oh, look at all the X-Men VHS, the 7, Star Wars.
It's like, why did these places go abandoned? Like, look at the phones. The way they are. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the knickknacks in the corner. Yo, there's a wizard.
There's a wizard?
There's a wizard in the corner.
There's an old vacuum.
Two wizards.
Whoa, dude, this is like somebody's... Have you been in here, Kat? This is like a full bedroom, yo. Yeah, this kid, whoever it was, liked hockey.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is insane. Okay, I'm gonna do it just a time, yeah, just like that.
Oh, look, there's Don Cherry up there.
Isn't this insane?
Oh, yeah.
Two Rebels. Looks like Kid Rock.
Oh, look at the weird little...
Yeah, this guy liked hockey, obviously. Something, I'm telling you, something...
Ah! Check this out. Look at this dude.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Something bad must have happened because it's like, why...
Yeah, the way it's...
Why the hell would they leave
like
everything like this?
Like, why take all this time to, like, these cards clearly meant...
Yeah, look at the old TV and the VHS.
Oh, it's another old
This house has been here for a long time, Kat.
Wow,
Isn't
yeah.
this insane?
It's been abandoned since 2009, based off the
Yeah, look at the cards, dude.
Oh, those are cool. Oh, look at the
that.
creepy photos in here, too.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to get one other person because I know
singer.
that. Yeah, yeah. Show it from here, though.
Yeah, look, old cassettes. There's still some old clothes in here.
I've never understood that, though. Like, I've never, like...
Yeah, like his
some
clothes.
tragedy or something must have happened, and then everybody just, like, took off.
Oh, look, an old cell phone, too. There's...
Yeah, look. That's a vintage cell phone.
With the charger and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, he left his cell phone.
Everything was here. Like, what happened?
His cell phone is still in the drawer.
Do you ever wonder if, like, they died in a car accident? Like, the whole family? Because it's like, how else would stuff be left like this?
Yeah.
I like this jar, too. It's kind of cool.
It's still got a bottle of water from the Royal York Hotel.
Yeah. Wow. Something happened, dude. I'm telling you. I think it's a car accident. Oh, no, yo, look at this. It's like a see-through action figure.
The keys are all still here too.
Wow. It's like we're going back in time. Like, I can't believe it. Yeah, look, like, look. MasterCard. Like, he left everything here. Everything was left here. Wow, good time capsule, James.
Yeah, this is wild.
There's a little,
It's all the personal stuff that really makes it especially eerie.
Come this way?
Oh, this is a reward.
Yeah, I got that room.
Did you see
Oh, yeah,
this?
look
It's
at this.
a plaque. It has the name for outstanding safety performance in 1983.
Look at the roof, it's just rotted right out, eh?
No way! Yo, I can play tambourine for you in your band now.
There you go. Doing a little dance, making a little love. There we go. Oh, this is cool. All the books are still here.
Yeah, look at the guitar.
Oh, really?
There's a guitar here. Who leaves their guitar?
Yeah, I'll do that as a still. Yeah, cool places, man. These are awesome. Yeah, the guy had a few more hobbies than just the, What doesn't open up?
Oh, look at that. There's even a candle left over here. An anti-stress candle. That's half or a little bit burnt. Ghostly haunts.
Yeah, living with spirits, it says. There you guys go for our paranormal stuff.
Oh, oh yeah, the dust and the mold in this place is...
Yeah, that's why I have my mask. It would just destroy me.
Is this a lava lamp? A legit lava lamp? It is, too.
Hey, look, this thing shows all the guitar chords.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but what's weird, it's like, why is everything here? Like, I don't understand.
Yeah. Is there an upstairs to this place?
No, I think it's just all this.
Wow, look at the coat closet here, too.
I don't know if this goes outside or what. Oh yeah, this goes onto the deck.
This kind of gives me the feeling like this is abandoned around February.
This guy is like fucking lifeline of hockey right here.
Yeah.
No way, there's another cat bottle.
Yo, there's a shed thing back out there, eh? Have you ever been to that or no?
No, I don't have enough time in these places to go through
James!
shit, but... Yeah, oh yeah.
But there's another one.
No, I got this guy's like timeline of hockey right there.
Yo, I got a blue one of these last time we were out exploring. That's so cool.
Yeah, there's some shed thing out back. I don't know if anything's in it.
This is, look at this, Fiddler's Green, tragically hip right there.
What?
That is Fiddler's Green.
Oh, maybe he was learning how to play it on guitar or something.
It's this Shooters Exhibition Gun Show, April 23rd, 2005.
The fuck? Oh, these are all on magnets.
2005, so that's like...
Magnets, all these.
Oh yeah. This is quite the interesting little chef stainless steel, multi-tool.
Did you see this? It's two cartoons banging.
Oh, yeah.
That's funny.
This is a...
Did you want to explore that building behind it, or do you
Not
think
really.
no? Do you think it's no good?
I really don't care.
Okay.
Look at the weird... Oh, look at this.
What?
Little checkered pieces and stuff.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, I found Dory. I found Nemo. Yo.
Oh, did you?
I found. Well, I guess it's probably Nemo's dad, actually.
Wow.
But I found Nemo.
Yeah, guys. So it looks like we've seen everything in this place. It looks amazing. I know it's only one floor, but there's tons of shit here. James was right about that. So, anyways, we got more places to hit. Like I said, we've got a lot of content. We've been on the road for a few days now. So,
My
you check.
shot.